from hair in Vietnam, and I can see the hair is really beautiful and the quality is really, really nice, and the hair is really soft. And look at how it looks, it's really beautiful. And every client that I've had since that day is very satisfied with the hair. The hair is full and thick from the top to the bottom. Look at it, the hair is really full, and there is not those thin ends that I usually have with other vendors. I bought these 3 colors from K-Hair. I had contact with Julia, and I'm really satisfied because everybody just sold them. Were satisfied at the moment, and people, as soon as they saw it, they just bought it. I just have this little piece left of this color, and I will buy more and always more from this K-Hair in Vietnam. I'm really satisfied, and even of the customer service, because Julia was really a nice person. She addressed all my feelings about the hair, and every time I had a question, she was there to answer. So I'm really satisfied from K-Hair in Vietnam, and I will always keep buying from them.